The partnership between Euler Hermis and ATI is expected to strengthen trade ties between Africa and Germany, and between Kenya and Germany in particular. Under the agreement, one of the key features will be risk sharing on joint transactions and an exchange of credit information on international buyers.
We do a lot of business in Africa. German companies do a lot of business in Africa. And of course we cover transactions, export transactions. But the ATI colleagues have a great knowledge, and they have an in-depth knowledge of how business here works and how the importers are. And that's one important point for us, that they will help us to understand the business better.
You know, it's easier for companies in Africa now to be able to trade with Germany, export to Germany, and with our policy they will be able to get loans, and you know, they will not trade on cash basis, so they'll be able to work with our policy to mitigate any risk of non-payment.
Information sharing is expected to expand the trading on open terms between German and African companies, as well as fill an existing information gap in the African credit market.
As you know, Kenya exports a lot of products, agricultural products to Germany, maybe coffee and so on. So we'll be able to know those clients properly through our partnership, and we'll be able to charge the correct premium. You know, before, if you don't have information, you would be able to, you normally charge much more than you normally charge when you have information about a company you are dealing with.
We share information with ATI for joint transactions, and I think ATI then can help again the exporters here to open up doors, to find new markets, and to support the exporters from Kenya and other countries here in the region to go to Europe, and especially hopefully to Germany.
African exporters are expected to use this information to make more sound business decisions. And for German traders, both companies hope to facilitate increased flow of capital goods into African markets.
It's one of the biggest ACAs in Europe, and our partnership with them definitely shows that they wanted to be partner with us because they believe Africa is the next frontier of development. And you know, we're still going to see quite a number of other European companies coming to partner with us.
That's the reason why Germany always thought it's on business, on trade, on investments. Maybe we haven't shown in the past so clearly as China did that we are really interested in trade and business with Africa, and that's one of the reasons why we signed the agreement.
This strategy is part of a move by Germany to increase relevance on the global scale and increase trade with Africa at the multilateral level.